Hi guys, Hoof here. So today I'm gonna do some unboxing video for my new RAM. Let's check it out.
Enemy spotted.
So I'm gonna cut this first. I'm gonna see first. So as you can see in front here is HyperX Fury from Kingston, DDR4 RAM, 8GB, 3200 megahertz. As you can see from here, we can overclock this memory to achieve some of performance. Okay, without wasting our time, let's put this RAM into my PC. So as you can see, I already installed my new RAM, my PC. So right now I have 16GB of RAM. So let's start this PC. You go to OC Tweaker over here. I enable this one first. Okay, and then search for load XMP setting. Okay, and then from auto you choose the profile one. After that, leave it, save and exit. So guys, after you're already in your desktop, what you're gonna do next is click the task manager and then go to performance. So as you can see here, I already installed 16GB memory in this PC, and then I already overclocked this memory to the maximum speed of the memory, which is 3200 megahertz. I think that's all from me. If you like this video, don't forget to like and leave a comment about this video so I can improve in the future. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content from me. Thank you for watching. Peace.